What up, YouTube? This is Mr. Airsoft from More Here Today, and today I'm going to introduce one of my best series on this channel, and the series is going to be Airsoft roles / positions. I'm gonna bring this video to you guys because one, a lot of people need it, because a lot of people are trying to manage teams, and they're trying to manage you guys are managing teams and trying to organize squads and whatnot. So it's gonna just give you guys positions and stuff to assign to certain players. So I will be starting that series soon. I gotta show you guys something. On my laptop, I have just taken it and I've just written scripts after script, written word after word, is just stuff that I'm going to list in my next couple of videos. But what I'm starting off with is captains, the captain of the team, the commander or whatever, the leader. And then I'm going to do like the rifleman and the scout. I'm just going to do all the roles, and I'm going to break them down. I'm going to organize them pretty much the best way that you can find it on YouTube, you know. That's what I'm going to do, guys. So keep me posted. Just keep posted. Hit that subscribe button up there, I think it is. Hit that button, and trust me, you guys are going to see some good videos. It's not them bogus airsoft roles videos that you're going to see out there on YouTube. This one is very thought out and broken down. So that's it, guys. Subscribe for it. It's coming up. All of them going to be up in the next 2 to 3 days. You know, a lot of stuff that's been some reason just piling on to my summer. So hopefully you guys can stay tuned to that. And yeah, a lot of stuff just been piling on to my summer. But if it was up to me, I would do all the videos in an hour and a half, you know. But you know, I just don't have the time like that anymore. I'm getting sick of everybody on YouTube saying that, oh, I don't have time, I've been doing this and I've been doing that. But that's what's been happening to me. If 2 weeks ago I would be able to do something like that, but amazingly, I just got into so much, started like basketball and all of that. But I am going to an airsoft event this Saturday at the Badlands, so check me out. If you're in the area, check me out. And I will be coming with some gameplay soon when I get my Tachyon Ops HD camera, whenever I buy it. But when I buy it, I got you guys. So please subscribe for some good airsoft videos. Thank you.